How to join a Discord server. New to Discord and wondering how to join a server? Whether it's for gaming, study, community, or fun, have got you covered in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, open Discord on your PC or in your browser. Look at the left side of the screen where you see the server icons. At the bottom, click the green plus icon that says Add a server. Select Join a server. Paste the invite link you had received, then hit Join server. Boom! Now you are inside the server. Start exploring the channels, chatting, or reacting with emojis. Bonus tip: no invite link? No problem. You can explore public servers by visiting discord.com/discover in your browser. And that's how you join a Discord server on desktop or a browser. Now go find your people and join the conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.